I know.
Oh God, yeah. Pedaling.
Feel it on the pedal?
Yeah. It's like always there.
Here, let me zip my pocket really quickly.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah?
Ready.
Wow.
Whew.
It's nice looking over there.
Oh man, yeah.
All right.
I get lots of sun too.
Yeah.
Nice. Took a little different line than you did. Both worked. All right.
Sliding around in there.
Yeah.
Not really working out.
That was great, though.
Just take the lead. I don't think I'm gonna
Okay.
risk compressing the ankle.
Sounds good.
Maybe I'll catch you on the road afterwards.
I'll let you pass me up there right after
Sure.
that.
Go get her.
Here, I want it. A little bit of ping pong through there. Boy.
Looks like you put the landing gear down a little early.
Yeah, I came up short.
All good though?
All good, yeah. Woo! Came in too hot. Tried playing catch up and almost got burnt on that sharp left turn there. Nice. All good?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Wash the front.
Yeah, I can see where it went off the trail there.
I think everything's off a little bit.
Ah.
It's all good. I don't think I can put the weight where I want to.
Right. Riding off balance then.
Jumping and landing to flat back there was
Bad idea?
not the best idea.
It looked good in terms of like the style points, but probably didn't feel good, right?
All right.
Take it easy out. I mean,
Yeah.
loose too.
I'm gonna stop here.
Okay. Wait, whew. Wow.